You sure you want to see the TV right now? Yeah. Okay, let's check the TV. This is the Mi LED TV 4. And I want to quickly show you a couple of things. The Mi coin that you've got, if I put it this next to the bezel, it almost blends in. And if you can see on the other side, you will see the coin almost disappears. This is how thin this TV is. It's really, really thin. Not just this, the TV also comes with brushed metal back, which gives you a really premium look. No matter if you tabletop it, this TV looks great from every angle. It also comes with the aluminum alloy stands to give and complete that premium look. Now, I also want to show you quickly about the patch wall. I did give a quick video, but I wanted to show it in person because it's really, really cool. So I'll walk over to the other TV which has been set up for us. But before I dive into the patch wall, I would like to show you this remote. Once again, it's really simple. Once you start using this, the great thing about this remote is you'll never have to look to the remote. You'll always looking at the screen. That's how simple this is. Now here's patch wall set up for us. I did tell you about the endless scroll, and this is how it looks. You literally can go on and on forever. Thank you. I also want to quickly show you about the linear TV integration. Here's X-Men from Star Movies HD. You not only get TV shows, you also get channels. So with one click, my TV will automatically switch to the right HDMI source and the right channel. Pretty awesome, right? Let's do that again. 10 sports? Okay, South Africa versus India is happening right now. Let's take a look. Not only that, we have a completely new UI to interact with your set-top box. With just one click, we overlay all the personalized recommendation right what you're watching on. You can also find the program guide. You can favorite your channels all using this simple remote. Now, some of you guys must know this. The back button on your set-top box usually toggles between two channels, right? But with our back button, you can toggle across all the channels that you've watched. Thank you.